At Motorhead Garage, folks love coming into the studio because they see the lights and they see the cameras, and that's pretty cool. The second thing they talk about, Jeff, when they get here is the floor. It's from Resinwerks, and you guys came and installed it a couple of years ago when we moved into our new home. And we've been super satisfied with it. We love having you back.
Well, thanks for having us back, Dave. The floor is definitely looking great. You take good care of it. Are there any issues you've been having with it, or?
We don't have to care for it a whole lot. It's simple to clean it, and we were blown away by how easy the maintenance was. And it's been super durable because I'm fumble finger, so holding the wrench or something like that, I end up dropping it. And this floor is really taking the beating, and it's been really easy to work with. And a lot of folks ask us why we chose the lighter color, and that's because, well, one, it looks cool, and two, it reflects up, which a lot of folks like when you're working under a car.
Yep, lighter colors reflect up. Obviously in a big room, if you go real dark, it's going to make everything look darker. But you've got a really nice color here. It's one of our most popular colors. It's not too confusing. It's not a lot of different colors in it. If you drop something on the floor, you can find it, and it's easily maintained. So.
Which are all the things we love. Now, this is the only color you offer at Resinwerks. You have a huge range of colors and styles. So what are the different things you can do with a Resinwerks floor?
Well, a floor is designed to fit the personality. We have all the colors to do that. If you have a beautiful Chrysler vehicle sitting in there, if you're a collector, you know what? You're probably going to want to put that green Chrysler in there, which we've done that. We can make a custom chip for you. I've got a gentleman who had Snap-on red toolboxes. You got to put that red chip in. That's what I need. We can do that too. So the floor will fit the personality of the person with all the things that you have in your floor.
And it's not just about personality, it's about application. So you train installers all over the country. What's some of the range of facilities you've seen a Resinwerks floor go into?
We can put floors in any facility where you have anything. We could put it inside your house. We could put it in a brewery. Brewery floors are great because they're they used to polish everything, and now we put in a floor that's an exposed aggregate floor, which is clear. You can see all the, it's an industrial looking floor. We can go into the back of the brewery where we put in urethane cement floors. That's a very high performing floor, which we have also. We do hospitals with a simulated terrazzo floor, which fits that look, and it's easily cleanable, which is important in a hospital, obviously. Schools use it for putting in their lunchrooms because, they're easily cleanable. And what do we do in a lunchroom? Throw food all over it. So,
And a testament to the durability of Resinwerks, you even put your floors in airplane hangars.
Absolutely, it's a huge segment of our, you're putting a multi-million-dollar aircraft in. It's the same thing as having your beautiful car in there. You've got a plane in there. You want to be able to, maintain it, drop screws on the floor. If something falls off the plane, you want to be able to see it. Fluids, things like that. So.
And this is no DIY floor. You see the kits in the stores where you can roll it on, you sprinkle a few chips on.
Yeah.
How is this different, and why do I need a professional to install it?
Well, when you go to a big box store, they give you a couple gallons to your entire floor. Okay. Our floors take, for a 500 square foot floor, it takes approximately 8 to 9 gallons of product, and they give you a little handful of chips you sporadically throw around the room. And to do a 500 square foot floor, it takes about 80 pounds of chips to make a full broadcast floor. So, it's much more complex. Plus they have the grinders and the proper installation processes that they've learned through our training and network that we have.
Once I've decided I want a Resinwerks floor, how do you hook me up with an installer?
You can call 1-800-RESINWERKS, RESINWERKS, like the German way. And you can go on our website, and you can give us a call, and we'll hook you up with an installer in your area to do a professional installation.
How do I know I'm getting a qualified and skilled instructor when I go through Resinwerks?
Well, that's my job. I've been installing floors for 40 years. I've made a lot of mistakes that I don't want to see your installers make. So we have an installer program where I go out and train them and make them certified installers. And that way that you are ensured a good installed floor. And if you put that together with a high quality product and great customer service, you're going to be insured a great floor. I spend a lot of time with these guys making sure they can install it correctly.
If you go to resinwerks.com, you can find a floor that's going to suit your style, it's going to suit your application. Maybe you're putting it in a garage, your home, maybe an airplane hangar. Just check them out. Oh, by the way, they have glow-in-the-dark chips that look really cool as well.